Hey guys, welcome to the channel. OxygenOS 12 recently got a new update with the security patch of February 5th. So we're going to look at that. It's still based on the Android 12, so there's nothing new there. But yes, if you have a 9 Pro or the 8 series, you're going to get this update very soon. So let's see what new features are there on this. Apart from that, we'll also talk about OxygenOS 13. But before we do that, do hit this red subscribe button down below, click the bell icon, turn on all notifications so that you can get all the updates on the channel. Do like and comment below, and I answer to all your questions. Now, what is OxygenOS 13 and why is it ColorOS and OxygenOS? So basically what OnePlus says is that they both use the same unified OS codebase with a little bit of features which match between OxygenOS and ColorOS because they are owned by the same group company. Now, the OxygenOS 12 has taken a lot of cues from ColorOS, which I personally don't mind, but the new OxygenOS 13 is going to have a lot of cues based on stock UI. Basically, it's going to get co-developed with Google, and if OnePlus can pull this off, it's going to be really good, and Oxygen 13 is going to be better than Oxygen 12. And there are some core features where OnePlus is going to concentrate, like improving the UI, improving the system consistency. They're going to add more features like AOD, maybe get a music player, and also their very own Zen mode, which they're going to improve. So let's stay tuned for that. Now let's start with the bug fixes and the new features which have come with the C46 version of OxygenOS 12. To start with, let's look at what are the changes. So this is the official OnePlus forum where we see that we have always on display, which has been fixed. Also that they fixed some screen blur issues. Alexa app crash is fixed. Android security patch of February 2022, and there is some system stability as well. With respect to the network, it is fixed some 5G issues. So that's more or less it, nothing more than that. Under settings, personalizations, you can find always on display. Now I use the always on display on this phone, and I have not had any bugs as such, but if you have faced something like that, this should be fixed now. But apart from that, it is highly customizable. So all those features are there which we might see getting better in the OxygenOS 13. So now with the always on display out of the way, let's jump into Alexa. And this is something which is stable for me. I have not seen any stutters or lags or any forced closes as such. So pretty good there. Let me know down in the comment section if you have faced any trouble with the Alexa app, and if you use Alexa, let me know. Now let's go on to the next one, which is with respect to the UI. So let me just go through the app drawer, and it's fine. There is nothing wrong with the UI as such, but they have increased stability. So the phone is extremely smooth, which is a good thing, I guess. And I hope that OnePlus in the OxygenOS 13 builds on that. Now the next thing which I noticed is with respect to the games, and here there is an update. So once you do the update, you will be able to see a new kind of a menu when you open a game. So that is something which is new. It will give you a lot of performance aspects. So if you play games and if you're interested, this is something which you should update if you are on OxygenOS. Apart from that, I think more or less this is the C46 update. Stay tuned for an entire comprehensive review of the OxygenOS 13. I'll be doing that soon enough. And as usual, thanks for watching.